Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Guys, we have revealed almost everything about Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro in our previous videos, and today thanks to Android Authority we have our first rumor related to what color options we might find on the 2023 Pixel flagship model. According to a Google Insider, the color options for the Pixel 8 will include Haze, Jade, Licorice and Peony. Haze could be a greenish while Jade could be a color combining blue and green. Licorice will be a black shade while Peony will be a flowering plant, might be a pinkish color. Guys, Google Insider says that the 4 color option for the Pixel 8 Pro will be Jade, Licorice, Porcelain and Sky. The first two we have already discussed. Porcelain is a color option for Pixel tablets buyer and that is white, and we did imagine that Sky is a light blue shade. Guys, we also have some words about the wallpaper for the Pixel 8 series, where the theme for the wallpaper used on the Pixel 6 line was floral base and called it Bloom. The Pixel 7 theme was Feathers. The creator of these themes, Andrew, is back again to produce the wallpaper theme for 2023 Pixel handset, which will be called Mineral. Guys, the Pixel 8 series is going to be revealed in October and could be released a week after introduction. So guys, are you excited about it? Please let me know in the comment box below, and don't forget to watch amazing updates about iPhone 15 and 16 models.